In this video, I would like to see various ways to punch a square rectangular hole into a component, but with rounded edges. There's many ways to get to this result, but there's quicker ways, there are slower ways. Basically, there's at least 3 different methods to get there. So let's go through some of these. First of all, I would like to get a view from a member. So let's quickly get a view from this beam, for example. There we go. One way would be to create a punching tool. So I could do that by creating an outline plate, square plate, for example, 6 inches by 6 inches and about 2 inches thick, centered over here. We'll place it somewhere in the middle. So there's that plate. Now I'd like to edit this plate. So we would have edit outline of that plate. There it is. Then we add a rounding to it, say 1 inch, around each and every corner. I don't need this window anymore, so I can close it. And then afterwards, we would punch this component, punch it, just make sure I have the right tool, punch this through this, and then I would get rid of the punching tool. That is of course one way, but as you can imagine, it's not the quickest, of course. What would be another one? Another one would be to go through the detailing box. So I will have to pick what I want to edit, give it a certain width, let's say something about 6 inches, 6 inches high, 1 inch radius, and then we say I want an internal contour, place it over here, and then I have a hole with rounding. And then the last one I can think of would be to have the punching function. So in the punching function, there's other options than with member. We can also use a toolpart, and a toolpart we have various shapes to choose from. So here again, I would have 1 inch radius, length of 6 inches, 6 inches. And then we would delete the toolpart, place it somewhere here, and then we would see the hole. So 3 different ways to get to the same result. I would think I would go for the last option. It's far quicker.